Good morning, traders, investors. Dale Sawyer, Trader Boys. We got the markets down here again slightly. S&P down 19.6%, Nasdaq down 42.5, 0.4%, 180 on the Dow there, and 1160 on the Russell 2000. Oil continuing its drop here at 39.24, and money going to gold and money going to bonds. So bonds are near their all-time highs here. So this is a very interesting picture. So the clues that we had coming into the week that the market is going to take this drop is money coming into gold pretty heavily. So let's jump over the charts real quick. On the S&P finally broke this low here yesterday. Took out those lows. We hit the demand level back in here. That created the bottom yesterday, and we got the explosive move back up. We now get the lower high on the S&P here, and we just need to break this low to get some continuation. We'll get down to 30.64. So that's what we're looking at on the S&P. The Russell, look at this. I mean, guys, I've had this level here posted for a couple weeks now, and boom, right off that low, right back up, and we come straight back down to it again. So this is how you can time the markets. Everybody out there in the market says you can't time the markets. It's impossible. You guys are watching me day after day after day after day. I'm telling you where these markets are going to turn way in advance. So you got unfilled buy orders in here. Markets can now break through this because we've been into this the second time. Get some depth onto that. So the Russell can get down even lower here. So that's going to be fun times there, and this is what we should be seeing. So your next level on the Russell is down in here. You're looking at 31.45 on the Russell is your next stopping point. We got the Nasdaq here. This is Superman, man. This thing just will not go down. Just the buying pressure coming into Amazon, just pushing Amazon, just screaming Amazon back up. It just rocketed this to new all-time highs yesterday. So this is a mixed market, very, very narrow market. There's only a couple stocks that are really holding this market up. Otherwise, we would be just in absolute devastation in this marketplace. So Nasdaq's still staying up there. You can see the turning point here coming in. We break this low here, we can get down to this support area. There's not much demand left here, but this support area before breaking down into the 10-400s. Right, if we can break down here. Next, you get the VIX. The VIX is telling us we got fear coming to the markets. You get people buying puts on the 3 month next contracts out as they should be to ensure their portfolios. VIX, we can start getting a run on the VIX here, and we can look for the VIX to come into the 40s if we can start getting some seller pressure from some case in these marketplaces. You get oil here. Oil's doing what it should be doing based on the perception of an economic decline. Oil came down into the demand level right in here. Right? We have posted that. You're probably going to see oil come lower. Oil should really easily get down to this 38 mark here without any sort of problems at all before we could see some form of a reversal on oil. Gold. Our gold trade did not work as we discussed yesterday. We talked about going back above here. The little trade here did work. We said if we went below this low here, take the trade here, and that would have been a stop out. And that's trading. That's how it works. You're guaranteed losing trades. It's just up to you how big those losses are. So stop loss under here would have been a small loss if you had to take that trade. So gold has reversed off of this area in the middle of nowhere here actually. So gold has reversed, money coming back into gold. Remember, for me, gold is a longer term transaction, and we are way up from this entry point and this entry point. So gold's looking good, back above the high here, back through, working with this supply level here. It's about to break out of that and go to new all-time highs in gold. Gold, we're looking long term 2,500. So that's your majors. Dale Sawyer with Trader Boys. Thanks for watching.